Hi, I am here from KodiLearn. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize this worst theme. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the best blog theme for the WordPress, which is newspaper theme. I will give the newspaper theme, which is of version 10.3.2 for free. If you do not know, newspaper theme is one of the best blog theme, which is one of the paid theme, so you need to pay for that, but I'm going to give you for free. You do not need to pay for this theme. So let's get started. So this is the file. So I'll give link in the description to download this file. Do not worry about this, and this file will be of 23.6 MB, and I do not give start link. I will give the direct link in the description, so you can just go there and download. So after getting this file, just right click it, just click on extract to newspaper, and then here new folder will be created, and in this folder here this is the file, means this is the newspaper theme, and here are a lot of plugins that are related to the newspaper theme, such as this TD composer and many social counter, and these are lots of needed plugins in newspaper theme. So let's try it. So I have this first theme in the WordPress, means WordPress 2020 theme. So let's add this new theme and try what happened when we choose this blog theme. It's one of the best theme. And just click on install now. So it will take a little bit time, so you need to wait for that. So as you can see, it is telling me to activate. Let's activate it. As you can see, newspaper theme is installed, and just I'm going to click on appearance and themes. So let's refresh this page. What happened? So as you can see, my whole theme is just changed. Means you may think like this is not a good, means it's not looking too good, but if you customize it properly, then it is the best theme. You can customize it a lot, and it comes with a lot of customization. So I'm going to just show you some of the main core feature. So just here is one option, newspaper. So let's install some plugins for this newspaper, and one of the most needed plugins for this newspaper is TD composer. So here it is telling me to install some other plugins like social counter, cloud library, and standard pack. So let me see whether it is here or not. Yes, there is social counter and standard pack, also cloud library. Yeah, all of those plugins are here. Or you can also just click on this install/activate plugins. So you need to have the internet for that. I do not have internet, so let me quickly install all of those plugins. So we have quickly installed all of those plugins. So let's refresh this page if some changes have been seen in our page or not. So no more any changes are seen here, but you can do a lot of customization. But here some of the options are available, like theme support and live CSS, and here one new option will also available if you have any other page. So let me click add one page. I do not want to have this full screen mode, so I'm just going to turn off this. I'm going to type home and click on publish. So now I have created this page. So it is not the home page. So how can I do that? I'm going to just click on settings, reading, and then static page and home page, and click on home and post. So I'm just going to add one new page for that also. For the first page, I'm going to select blog. Now I can refresh it. If this is not a blog page, then new option will be available called edit with TD composer, and this is the TD composer plugin that we have installed. So you can customize a lot of features and the home page with this. So let me just add a menu for it. and let me add menu called main menu. So I'm going to add some pages for this. So there is only 2 pages. So we forgot here one option, header menu main. So let me refresh it. Now it will work. So now as you can see, 2 new menus are available, one for the blog post and one for the home page. So let me show you some of the customization here. Just hover over the newspaper and just click on theme panel, and from here you can do a lot of customization. So this is the search bar. This is nice cool search bar. So here you can choose a lot of options, header styles, a lot of that you want. So I do not have any image logo for this. So here is top bar. So I do not have the top bar. So let me choose the menu, and I want to show the social icons and this, and let me save settings. So let me refresh it. So now as you can see, top bar is available, but I do not want this menu. So I do not want to show this menu. So only date is shown. So you can just go to social networks and add a social icon. So here is main menu. So you can show social icons here also, but I do not prefer to use that. And logo. So it is very useful. So you must add your logo. So let me quickly add logo, and let's save it. So as you can see, my logo is appeared here and here. You can just change this logo also, means for the footer you can add other images and a lot. So there is the favicon icon. So favicon icon is this icon here, it appears. So in this way you can do a lot of customization with this theme. So you can just search for the YouTube for creating a cool blog through newspaper theme. So please hope you like the video. If you like the video, then do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I will come with a lot of premium themes and plugins that you can use in the WordPress. So stay tuned. Bye.
Namaste.